Good morning, so the bakery, that's Bonchet. Oh, it's a beautiful Sunday in Tampura. I am avoiding to put makeup in any way that I could because see,
Don't you the story salo baba lo na
I don't know what's
or
happening.
na 12.
Ubanda
umntwana wakhe kuthi ukuthi lento ifuna ukuthi ufumane igazi lomntwana wakho uyabo mara ukuthi vele ulivethana lo mntana wakho nje ukuthwala
mama sabugijimela
Hey insights, but insights were outside, bra.
yile
Just thermal spoon that one. Ama inside akhe.
ayenzeni
Ngaphandle. Guys.
umntwana kanani
12.
ubencane
kakhulu
indoda ningakanani
Hey, baba akhe.
baba wakhe lo ayithi amathumba bephandle
guys exercise yabo asagijima safika lena besofika fast sifike lesiwalke sipholeni sihambeni kahle
mina kuthisa izifuba apha kuthi wena uSante
niyofika esontweni
phansi eniyajima
niyofika esontweni
sase nokuthi computer kanje
So manje masukuthiwa
makamthengele amakops
ubani ulathi
bheka yonke into ayenza
awu shame ngiromara
uthi imodel
awubhand Tell something.
You can print them for her, and then we are with doctor. Those forms. Let me see. When you print the forms, let's just make sure it's the right things.
Because I saw the Chinese ones all filled out.
Yeah, he went to
Oh,
the
no, you
brigade,
can
the national
ask for
brigade.
assistance.
So that's what it was done for you.
Oh, okay.
So that's why.
Indaba yaka doctor. Because obviously if I need to get a doctor to make them bad. So angazi ukuthi ma-payment akhona ihambela khona.
It's not the same for everyone. So she could go and it could be a different price. That's why the stake. So the stake says you go there. Uqala quotation ukuthi ngicela ukwenza la matches la. Bese bayakutshela ukuthi this is how much it will cost. So that form you can send to Bishop. Bishop will send it to the stake clerk. Then the stake clerk will then approve which okay go, or they'll send the money somewhere.
And I saw my other stuff.
For now, how was it done? I think the money was sent to you.
Yeah.